Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to use 3D zoom effect in CapCut. Now, you can apply the 3D zoom effect in CapCut via the built-in image style or by adding a motion video effect directly to the timeline. So let's start with the style tool. So open the CapCut app and add a new project. Now select the photo you want to edit and tap add. Now scroll at the bottom menu to the right, and select, let me select here my photo first, effect, then style, right? Find and tap the 3D zoom or 3D zoom pro effect. So let me switch to 3D, right? 3D. Okay. Have here the 3D zoom pro, right? Once you select it, automatically it will be applied. Wait a few seconds for the app to generate the 3D effect. Basically, that's it. Method number 2 is using the effect tab, right? Now, this method allows you to apply the effect to a specific portion of a clip or image. So import your images or video clips and place them on your timeline. Okay. Let me go back. So now tap or click the effect tab in the main menu, right? Select video effect, navigate to motion, right? The motion category. Now locate the 3D zoom or 3D zoom pro effect, right? So you can search, we can keep searching, or we could just simply type 3D zoom, right? And select, of course, your template, right? Or select, yeah, here. You have one here, for example, 3D overview, roll zoom, etc. Right? So let's apply the 3D overview. And basically, that's it, right? Consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time.